Hi, my name is Randy Spraggins with Specialty Tracks, and I'm the dirt guy, and I handled the ground for the NFR here in Las Vegas. I jumped on and got added to the crew in 2020 for maintaining the ground. 10-day time frame is tough. I've got 40 years of digging in the dirt here, maintaining and building arenas, and tried to bring some of my help to the program. Our day begins pretty early in the morning, typically 6:30 in the morning. We come in and we start prepping the ground for the day. We come in with the ABI Speedmaster to start our preparations for the day. We do some initial prep work and we build on that as the day goes on. We use a number of tools here, but for our roping boxes, we have an SR2 skid loader rake, and that's what we do all of our corners, our roping boxes. That allows us a little flexibility in getting in tighter spots. And then we use the Speedmaster for the bulk of our big heavy work. And the multiple implements in the ground on a Speedmaster give you a lot of variations on how you can manipulate the ground, move the ground, and it's a pretty nice tool to have. ABI became a sponsor a few years back, which I was very pleased with because I was already familiar with the tool. We were able to jump right in there and engage and get it to work. Like I said, it's a very multi-purpose tool. We can do a lot of different things. The rodeo world requires that. I would recommend an ABI Speedmaster to anyone with an arena that wants to maintain, renovate, keep their arena in tip-top shape and be able to rebuild if needed and increase the quality of your footing.